guys, in this video we will do some basic setting for our website. So for that we will simply click on settings, and here are some basic settings. Here the title you can give, here a small description for your blog you can give. So after a given description you need to simply click on save, and let's see in our blog. Here below the header of the title of your blog, the description is added. So in this way a small description you can add. And then next is the blogger language. Here the language you can select in which language you want to write your content. And the next is adult content. So if you want approval from the AdSense, you need to make sure your website doesn't contain any adult contents. So here I will leave as it is. Here is the Google Analytics property ID. So this is for Google Analytics only. For that you need to create an account in the Google Analytics, and from that you will get a tracking ID. So after taking the tracking ID, you need to click on here and paste that ID here. After pasting, you need to click on the save. So Blogger, what will we do? Whoever visit your website and do some try to read content or do some engagement, so the analytics will grab or capture all the data and show you in a report format. The next option is the Favicon. Favicon is this icon. You can see here at the top, my our blog name is given, and this icon is given, right? For blogger icon it is given. So for that you can simply click on here, and here you can choose your file. So after selecting the file, it will change this icon. The next is the privacy, visible to search engine. Yes, we want our website to visible on search engine. For that, it is already enabled, so I will leave as it is. And this is our blog web address. Yes, the custom domain. So if you have purchased any domain, so for that you need to simply enable this, and you need to give your custom domains. The next option is the HTTPS. This option enables, this is for a secure connection. So if you check this option here, HTTPS is given. So for example, uh, if I remove this H S and search again, so it should redirect to original HTTPS. See, it is redirecting, which means it is a secure connection and it is a HTTPS. Okay, here are some basic permissions. Blog admin and author, it is given my name only, and pending authors and invites. So here we don't need to do changes. Post, uh, in the home section, how many posts you want to show. So here, from here you can control those. For me right now it is showing 7. If you want like 5 or 4 you want to show, then from here you can change those. And this is the post templates, image lightbox, idea panels. Idea panels are let me show you. This is the post, and when we click inside the post, so in this what you can say, in this right side, it will show some ideas related to content. Right now our website is just new, so after writing some contents, the blogger will automatically suggest you some ideas for content. So yeah, so it is a useful option. Make sure it is enabled. and image lightbox is also enabled. So next is the comments. Comments, here actually you can uh, control the comment panel of the entire website. So currently I will leave as embedded as it is, and who can comment you can control from this option, and reader comment capture, it should be also enabled. Post using email, disable. So these are the option that is not much important right now, so I will leave in the default mode as it is given. Here you can select your time zone, you can change the how the date should be given. Currently in the blog archives, here you can see December 21 format is given. If you want the number format also you can give. And this is the meta tags. Meta tags, it should be enabled. Okay, and below you need to give a basic description. After giving the description, you need to simply click on save. So meta description are the, let's suppose I'm searching for a website. Here below the heading of the website, below the name of the website, a small description is added. So this description is called the meta description. So it is important, make sure it is enabled. And error redirects custom 404, crawler and indexing, enable custom robot.txt. Make sure it should be enabled, and enable custom robot header tags, it should also enable. And the rest of the setting, yeah, now we are good to go. And the rest of the setting you need to leave in the default mode only. Now after done the setting, now we will try to give some page that we have created, contact us and privacy policy in this website navigation. Currently it is showing in the home only, so we will work on this. So for that you need to simply go to the layout, and in the page list you need to click on edit option, and here you need to add a new item. So I will click here, and if I click here, see, it will automatically take the pages that we have created. So I will take contact us page, so it will also take the URL automatically. So after giving all the details, click on save, and again I will click on save. And now if we refresh, see here contact us page is given. In the same way, again I will give my privacy policy page and click save, and again I will refresh and see. This is our contact us page. In this way, for different pages we have menus, and we have done the changes in the navigation. So in the next video we will be working on some themes. We will see how we can change the theme of this website. So see you in the next video.